You are going to love the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, navigation system, all-wheel drive, heated seats, quad seating, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.